It was a judgment day filled with emotion and finality as that one-year-old gospel artist Timileyin Ajayi was sentenced to death by hanging for the murder of his 24-year-old girlfriend, Salome Adaidu. Missions made under cross-examination.
For us to prove this type of offences or any criminal offences, we are expected to do two things. Either to bring a direct evidence of what happened, or the confessional statement, or the circumstantial evidence. Now, in this case, even though we don't have a direct evidence of what transpired in that room, however, we were able to provide circumstantial evidence, which actually goes to show what transpired. So the court looked at that and also considered his confessional statement to the police, which is even the legal evidence that we are required to tender. So, and then those are the basis upon which the court made this pronouncement.
The court cited Section 220 and 221 of the Penal Code of Northern Nigeria, which define culpable homicide and provide for the death penalty. It also leaned on the last seen principle that the defendant, having admitted he was the last person seen with the victim, bore the burden of explanation. Justice Aboki described the act as premeditated and calculated and described the convict as a butcher.
Well, for us from Legal Aid Council, I'm the state coordinator, the law has taken its course. Because of the peculiar nature of this case and the accelerated hearing it was given by the judiciary, we have no option. We are lawyers, we only assisted.
Outside the courtroom, the convict kept mute when approached by journalists on his next line of action.
You have been convicted by the court. What do you have to say to me? Are you going to appeal this case? Timileyin. All right.
The family of Salome Adaidu is satisfied with the judgment of the court.
I felt happy, despite the fact that I'm not getting my daughter back. But this journey, I was trying to make sure that we get to this point of judgment so that the remaining youth, their life will be safe. Because if we allow this kind of person to continue in the society, it will continue to cause more harm to more living souls.
The convict has a period of 90 days to appeal the judgment at the Court of Appeal. And failure to do that, the Ministry of Justice will make a recommendation to the Nasarawa State Governor to sign the death sentence. Godwin Agwam, TVC News, Lafia.